Hey guys, it's Anna. What's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna be doing a quick makeup tutorial for school. Even though I hate school, but I wanted to film something, so yeah. So first, I always start off with primer, duh. So I'm gonna be using this Maybelline Master Primer. Even though I don't put foundation on, but it's nice to have like a base. It feels so nice. After that, I get my Badescu rosewater, and then I just spray it all over my face. And it kind of just helps your makeup stick on longer, if you know what I'm saying. Okay, so after that kind of dries, I take my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I don't put foundation on just because like it's too much like during the day. I just put that there. And then on my fucking acne, and then just a little, oops, that's too little, and then like a little teeny weeny on my forehead. And I take my damp beauty sponge. It's finally clean, guys, because you know I never clean my freaking beauty blenders. And then I just blend that, oh shoot, I fucking stabbed my eye. And then I just blend that towards like the rest of my face, just to like, so it won't be like white in one area, you know. Like, I've been really liking this translucent powder, so I get my Airspun Translucent powder, then I dip my beauty blender in there, and then I just set that right there. Then I let that, you know, stay on for like, I don't even know how long, until like I just want to take it off. So while that's happening, I take my Wet n Wild contouring palette, and it's actually really good because like you can, like, even though it's a drugstore product, you can still like build it up to like how much you want to put on your face. Then I take my Real Techniques contouring brush. I actually really like this one. And then just some on my forehead. So as of right now, I'm setting a schedule to post 2 times a week. After I contour and everything, I get this big fluffy brush from Real Techniques, and then I just swoop. After, I don't know why, like after I swoop away like the powder and everything, I like to go back in with my beauty blender and then just kind of like, and then I like to like set that into my eyes a little bit more. And then after, I take my Anastasia Glow Kit Palette, and no other highlighters will take me away from this baby because it is so good. I just like to like put a little bit on, kind of like glow, a little teeny weeny on my nose. This like whole thing usually takes me like about 10 minutes, honestly. Like, so it's like super quick, super easy. Since I forgot, I usually go back in with my translucent powder, just take a little bit, and then just kind of like, you know, after I let that set and everything, I'm gonna go in with this Lash Paradise, and it's a dupe for the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and it works really good. Like, the brush is super good, like it separates your lashes, it makes them like phew. I usually do not curl my eyelashes, but like if you want to make them like extra, like, and then I'm just gonna like coat my lashes, and then I like to put a little bit of mascara on my bottom eyelashes. Okay, then just take off that translucent powder. My go-to for my lips is this Victoria's Secret one, and it's really good because like it's natural, but at the same time it, like, I don't know, it's just so good. Okay, then after I put this on, I go in back with my Badescu face rosewater stuff. Alright guys, so that is it for this quick makeup tutorial. So give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below. Peace.